So a young man came to Neville Goddard and told him his life story and something that he was trying to do, but the opposite happened. And Neville Goddard told him, don't accept it. It's like, the young man is like, but how, what do you mean? But he said, just don't accept it. And now I understand what Neville Goddard meant by that. He was trying to teach the man the power of denial. And there are controversial opinions about denials in manifestation community, but I wanna lay it out in a different manner. And I really like the denials from Florence Scovel Shinn, where she was talking about like there is no loss in divine mind, because I have practically used it like 3 times already, maybe even more. And in my membership section there are other members who have used the power of denials, specifically that there is no loss in divine mind, and they found something that they lost. I recently made a full video about it as a success story. I will link in the description to it. Something personally happened into my life where we lost something, and I said no. I denied it, even though I was feeling frustration and deep anger at that moment. But I said no, there is no loss in divine mind, so I have it. And within like 10 minutes, we found what we lost. And so the way I wanna present this idea is this: everybody who comes to law of assumption and manifestation videos, they have a 3D reality. They are living in a so-called reality which is not preferable, right? They don't want it. It's not their desired reality. And consistently this reality is in their face, right? Like the most annoying dog ever, licking your face 24/7. And it's not even, dogs are lovely. It's like a very annoying person who's draining your energy and is always in your face, right? And so, and you don't know how to deal with it, right? I get these questions so many times in my coaching section, in my coaching practice and membership. By the way, if you want to work with me, the link for the coaching is in the description, or if you want to join the membership channel where we do weekly live streams and you can ask me any questions, the link is in the description. So I get these questions that how do I deal with all this BS that is going on? And if I tell you like Neville Goddard told this guy, you might get angry, like don't accept it. Like, you're like, what the F does that mean? So from my personal story, the previous story which I shared here on my channel, where I was buying a flat in Russia in the midst of the biggest, probably in the most unstable time to be in Russia, which is fully sanctioned and there is no way to get money into Russia. And I wanted to buy a flat here and I couldn't get my money here. And so, long story short, I will put the link in the description to the full video, but basically my deal almost fell through, everything went to shit. And in that moment, when everything was basically, reality was in my face telling me that it's not gonna happen, bro, give it up, I denied the situation. I said, I don't give, basically curse before, I don't care. I am with my vision. What is my vision? My imaginal act, my desired reality, and my vision is complete. Why I said it's complete? If it's complete, it means there is a way for its completion, right? How can something be complete if there is no way for it to be completed, right? There is a path towards completion and fulfillment. So I said, I am with my vision and my vision is complete. Now all you guys who says that, but how can I deny that? How can I deny this or that? Well, I was losing a lot of money, right? And I really need that flat, because in Russia you need your own address. It's a whole thing here, and you really need it for convenience, otherwise it's not a pleasant place to be in without your own address. So basically the reality was literally blowing up in my face and things were terrible, but I still denied it, right? So those who say you cannot do that, that's not true, right? You can. But how I want to represent it to you: denying what is the fastest way to manifest, right? Neville Goddard called it brazen impotence, right? because when you deny reality in the face, right, in the heat of the moment, it gives you immense power if you do it with emotion, right? You say, basically, even curse if you want. Like, I don't give an F. It is how I say it is, right? This does not exist. For example, you see your specific person with some other person, and you can deny that. You can say that's probably his sister or cousin or some friend, right? This means nothing, right? This guy is totally obsessed with me, so he's probably gonna get bored of her, or probably gonna get bored of this guy, and he's gonna fall into my lap, or she's gonna fall into my lap after that. I did this, so I'm speaking for personal experience. And in that denial, in that moment, you immediately shift into your desired reality. Because when you deny something, what is the opposite? What does it imply, right? What does it imply? When I said that I'm with my vision and the vision is complete, this is like this, I don't care what is happening. I don't care the deal fell through. It does not matter to me because my vision is complete. What was that sentence implying? That what is happening is irrelevant, right? It's like a bug, insignificant bug walking like on the floor that you don't even notice, right? You basically strip all power from reality, and you say that what I say goes, I am the source of my reality, so this what is happening, I don't care, right? You deny it in that moment, especially in case of losing something. As I said, I have done it like 3 times already, and I said there is no loss in divine mind, so I don't care. I have what I seemingly lost, and I found it. And so the way it is the best technique to shift instantly is because it is overpowering, right? You are coming from a state of being the total source of your reality, right? You're saying that what is happening, okay, it is what it is, but I don't accept it. It doesn't matter to me because I'm in my desired reality, right? You see, you lose something, you say, no, I didn't lose it, I have it, right? How empowering that is in that moment. And the moment you say it, you feel the shift in your body immediately. And if you do it with brazen impotence, like really standing in your power and using emotion, you will see that things will come to you tremendously fast. Because one time I lost my phone and I was panicking, right? You can say I was feeling all the emotions. I lost my phone in a train. The train did not leave the station yet, and I denied that no, I did not lose my phone. Inwardly I was saying, no, I have it. And we ran towards the train, and we called the phone. My wife called the phone, and conductor found it and gave it to us. And the train left after like 30 seconds. It was leaving, it was moving. You know, trains are slow, right? So they don't catch up speed fast. So it was moving already. So this is how denial works. I forgot to mention, because I know some people will say, but how can I deny it, bro? It's in my face or whatever. For that, you must understand how reality works, right? Everything that you see is not really there, right? It's all a mental projection of your own I am awareness. You are a spiritual being having a temporary experience. You're multidimensional. You have access to many realities, not just one. So when you're denying a reality, you are basically selecting from the infinity of yourself, your own all that isness, your own I amness, another reality, right? So when I said I am with my vision and the vision is complete, I was directing my attention to inward reality, where I could see me walking in my flat, right? To me, in my own inner world, that reality exists. You access that reality via imagination or affirmation, words or whatever, deciding. So when you're denying this reality, you don't say that it does not mean that it doesn't exist, right? It means that I am not choosing it. It's a choice. It does not mean that these trees don't exist, or, you know, all of a sudden, for example, I get into an accident and I break something. That it does not mean that that didn't happen, okay? it does not mean that your specific person, for example, is with somebody else, that they are not there, they don't exist. No, you give it a different meaning. You choose, like, no, he's totally obsessed with me. That person is probably, his long lost some school friend or some whatever. He's totally obsessed with me. He's mine, right? He wants to be with me more than ever. So, and when you're saying there is no loss in divine mind, you see, what is divine mind? Divine mind is all that is. So when you say that I have not lost it, you are talking as a source, not the 3D human perspective. You're not saying that, oh, you didn't lose it in this reality. Yes, an event happened and you lost something in this 3D, but you are not claiming that you have not lost it from that human self. You are claiming it from your source, as source. So there is a reality where you have not lost it, and it's within you. It's not some other physical parallel reality that you will fly towards. No, it's all mental. It's all within you, right? So when you deny something, you are denying, as in you are choosing the reality where it has not happened to you, right? So you're not saying that this reality doesn't exist and you're closing your eyes like a pigeon, right? No, it's not about ignoring and closing your eyes. It's about seeing it, but claiming it within, being the source of your reality, that yes, it is what it is, but I have not lost it. There is no loss in divine mind. Or this did not happen because I have chosen already my desired reality and I'm in that reality. So this is either irrelevant, or you give it a different meaning, or say, I don't care, right? Brazen impotence. Middle finger to what is, right? Saying that I don't choose it, so don't accept it. As Navalkar says, don't accept it. So what if you don't accept it? That means you accept something else, which is your desired reality. So that's how you deny. And in case of my flat situation, I was so-called manifesting getting money in Russia for 2 months, right? And everything blew up in my face because of my own fears and anxiety, like, oh, Russia is in such a terrible condition. How the hell am I gonna get this money, right? Because there was no way in sight. So when everything blew up in my face, that is when I turned to brazen impotence, right? Because basically I got sick of my own BS and I got sick of the reality that I was seeing. So I was like, it is turning out bad anyways, might as well go all in and say, use denial. And I did that. And stood in my power as the source of my reality, and I said, no, I have it. My vision is complete. And I kid you not, then the process, in that day when I said it firmly, I initiated an application to send money from my account. I had another account which I thought will not work, but intuition told me you should do it, and I did it. And I did one application and it failed at that moment. And I thought, oh fuck it, it's not gonna happen. But guess what? That application did not fail. I was in a park with my wife, we were just chilling. It was like, okay, it's already, the shit has hit the fan anyway, so might as well go and relax somewhere, relieve the stress. And I look at my phone and the money transfer happened. Mind you, the application failed initially. And I needed this money twice, so I made this application twice. One time it failed and another time it went through. But both time it went through, and both time the money was here when I was like not worrying about it. So one day, it took 1 day for money to be here, and like 3-4 days next for the deal to go through and everything to happen. And we got what we wanted. Power of denial, right? 2 months of manifesting, 1 day of standing in my power as source, giving the middle finger to what is, the so-called what is, and saying that no, I am who I say that I am. And boom, it happened. And when it comes to lost things, 3 times I said I applied this and I got the things like in 10 to 15 minutes. Because the shift within you is instant. 3D is just a reflection, right? It does not Nothing takes time to manifest. It takes your awareness to shift in so-called time, linear time. But nothing actually takes time, right? It's instantaneous. And so use the power of denial. Don't accept your reality as it shows you. Be brazenly impotent. Use brazen impotence. Give the middle finger to reality and curse, if you will, but don't give in to the illusion, and use your power as source and deny. And the shift within you will be instant, and the 3D materialization will be very fast as well, speaking from personal experience. So this is it for this video. Until next time, bye bye.